Hi my lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing some tips and tricks to look attractive in front of everyone. And of course, staying positive and staying calm is the best solution to look attractive. So let's start with the tips and tricks. तो सबसे पहले मैं स्टार्ट करूँगी अपनी आईब्रोज़ को सेट करना. आई यूजली गो टू पार्लर टू सेट माई आईब्रोज़, बट मेरी आईब्रोज में सिर्फ एक्स्ट्राज हैं, तो आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव इट फ्रॉम वैक्सिंग स्ट्रिप्स. बट हेयर वैक्सिंग स्ट्रिप्स डजंट वर्क एवरी टाइम बिकॉज आई हैव अ वेरी लिटिल मिट hair, so I'm removing it from a razor. And then I'm going to remove my facial hair, so I forget to bring my aloe vera gel, so I am going to use my this hair removal machine. You can also purchase, and I'm going to mention in the description box, go check it out. It is very like budget friendly, under 300 or 400. I'm removing all my facial hair also from this, and it like leaves no irritation on your skin. And the third step is cleansing your nose on the like weekly or a 15 days. So I'm spreading some water on my nose and applying this charcoal nose strip and leaving it for 5 to 6 minutes. And in the meanwhile मैं अपने लिप्स को स्क्रब करूँगी बिकॉज आई नीड अ लिप स्क्रब ऑन द डेली पर्पज़ बिकॉज माई लिप्स आर सो मच हैप्पी. एंड मेरी बहुत गंदी आदत है कि मैं अपने लिप्स को बहुत स्क्रैच करती हूँ. सो आई एम यूजिंग लैक्मे का लिप लव स्क्रब फॉर द एक्सफोलिएशन एंड moisturization to my lips because it contains sugar and like strawberry and moisturization effect, vitamin C and E. So it is absolutely good to moisturize your lips on daily purpose. And afterwards I'm going to remove it from a cotton pad. You can go and wash it also. It is very easy to swipe it off. And then I'm going to move forward. So as you all know, CTM means cleansing, toning and moisturizing. We have to do on the regular basis. So here I'm first removing my nose strip. Then I'm going to do step 1 cleansing, which is required to do on the regular basis. And you can see how much gunk and blackheads on my nose. So let's move on to सबसे पहले हम करेंगे क्लिनजिंग, विच इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर डेली रूटीन. सो आई एम यूजिंग सिंपल का रिफ्रेशिंग फेशियल वॉश विच इज़ बेस्ट फॉर सेंसिटिव स्किन. एंड आई हैव अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन. माई टी जोन एरिया इज़ ऑयली एंड माई चीक जोन एरिया इज़ ड्राई. So I'm using this face wash from last 1 week, and earlier I was using Dot & Key ka watermelon face wash, which is also good and hydrating. You can see how my face is looking so clear and clean. Moving on to the next step is icing, which I do on regular basis because icing की मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है guys, because I have open pores breakouts a lot. I have a combination skin, but मेरी open pores की problem बहुत ज़्यादा है. So I usually do icing on the regular basis, which is best for open pores. Minimize your open pores, reduces your puffiness, and it reduces your signs of aging, causes inflammation. And as you know, you will get a clear glass skin from this icing. Do it on your regular basis. It will give you a very good and calming effect on your skin. After doing icing, I leave my face for at least 1 minute and let it dry from towel and pat dry. And then I'm going to use my toner. It is a second step from the CTMP. So you can see my skin is so red and my pores have been minimized. It gives an effective results. So moving on to the toning, so I'm using Pilgrim ka White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner. So as you all know, toning is the most important part of your daily routine because toning से हमारे pores minimize होते हैं, हमारे skin को hydration मिलती है. तो अब मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ अपना सिरम विच इज़ फ्रॉम डॉट एंड की विटामिन सी सिरम. एज यू ऑल नो, विटामिन सी इज़ द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट फॉर योर ऑयली स्किन. इफ़ यू हैव ओपन पोर्स, इफ़ यू हैव डलनेस, if you have pigmentation, and vitamin C serum is the best solution for it. So always apply vitamin C serum in the dab motion. अब मैं बात करती हूँ मॉइस्चराइज़र की, जो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. ऑफ कोर्स आई नो समर्स हैं तो लोगों को लगता होगा मॉइस्चराइज़र स्किप कर दो, बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो टुडे आई विल बी यूजिंग सिंपल का प्रोटेक्टिंग लाइट वेट मॉइस्चराइज़र विच इज़ absolutely good for sensitive and a combination skin. And the last but not the least, sunscreen is the most important part for this summer season. So I'm using the Dermaco 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. But as you all know, we apply sunscreen to get rid of UVA UVB rays, and it has SPF 50A++, and it quickly absorbs into your skin. And now moving on to the body odor, so I'm applying Rexona ka deodorant body roll on. So it is an amazing roll on. It gives a very nice effect and nice smell all over the day. And now moving on to the body lotion, I'm using Wishcare ka sunscreen body lotion, which has niacinamide and a ceramides and a raspberry, which hydrates my skin full day. Done with the skincare and hygiene part, so let's get ready with me to look more attractive. So starting from setting my eyebrows, as you all know, setting your eyebrows is the main part of your makeup, because eyebrows is the main part of your face. अगर eyebrow अच्छी नहीं लगेगी तो आपका face एकदम droopy लगेगा. So of course doing some little bit makeup, only applying concealer, nothing else. So I'm applying L'Oreal Paris का Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm applying on my dark problem area. I have a pigmentation on my eyes and under the eyes. I have like मेरी नस बहुत ज़्यादा दिखती, तो I hide basically on my regular basis. मैं ऐसा ही मेकअप करती हूँ. So I'm applying on my like problematic area जहाँ मेरे dark problems हैं. And then I'm going to take a little bit Earth Rhythm का lip and cheek tint, which I'm going to apply on my cheeks area only, and I'm going to blend it and then set it with the compact powder. Going to use a Swiss Beauty Oil Control compact powder. I have lots of oil problem on my face. And then moving forward, completing my look with kajal and mascara and lipstick. So using Lakme ka kajal and Stage 929 ka mascara. After applying a mascara, I'm going to apply a lip liner from the Mars in the shade brown, which is a very nude shade and gives a very like a fancy and a very attractive effect. After applying a Mars lip liner, I'm using Blur ka lip gloss, which is in the peach shade, which is absolutely good. Last but not the least, I'm going to set my hair. Today I have done a hair wash, so I'm going to apply some serum, my favorite serum from Mactos Opticare hair serum, which makes your hair smooth, shiny, hair a very finishing effect. After applying a serum, I'm going to tie up my hair because it is summer and it is so hot outside, 50-degree temperature and 47-degree in Delhi. So I'm tying up my hair and completing my look with some perfume. Of course, smelling good is the main ingredient of your body odor. So here is my final look. I hope this video is helpful for you and useful for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, don't forget to follow me and just follow my tips and tricks. You will be looking good.